Good morning, $1,000,000 babe. So I'm going to give y'all the gorgeous beauty room tour. This is my beauty room. So when you first come in, I have my little rug, which my dog just always sit on while it does itself. Then I have all of my headbands, my little visor, more headbands, my robe, my exercise bands, headscarf, you know, just some little extra headbands and stuff in here. Is my closet. Just have a few mannequins in here, and my main closet is in my bedroom, y'all, but this is just my second closet because I have so much shit that I still got to use this closet here. But yeah, I put my jewelry. I got one of these in my bedroom too, so most of my jewelry are in there. This is my shades rack, and I have a whole bunch in my car because I keep my shades in my car, and then I have a shades rack in my bedroom, y'all, too. So yeah, this is just some of my shades because you know I got a whole bunch. My shoes, clothes, and then my mannequins are up there. And this is my little view window. Just come out here, you can look out the window in our neighborhood. Just some purses here. I need to sell those, and then my bags that I have for my hair business. This is my jewelry case. And it just lets me know I got so much damn jewelry. It's a lot. Gotta unlock it. Because I barely even come in here because I got jewelry in my room. Like, I keep most of my jewelry that I wear unless I need something different, and I come in here. And where is my light? Because I forgot how to turn the damn light on in here. Let's see. Where is my light, y'all? Totally forgot. You know what I think it's on? Is it on the back? Up here. I forgot how my light come on. It's the lock. I have to ask my husband. There's jewelry, more jewelry. Oh yeah, I have a light in here. I'm looking for it, y'all. How did I forget where the hell my light is at and how to turn it on? This is my picture I got off of AliExpress. This is my little Cricut area that I've been making things at, y'all. So this is my little design area. So we're gonna come around here, and this is my little designer area. So I have my Gucci, Fendi logos, my TV. Then I got these little butterfly things. I think I ordered them off Amazon, y'all. My little Louis Vuitton area, y'all. And this is supposed to be an AirPods case, y'all, but it came like this, so I can't even wear it. And I tried to dispute it online, but of course they wanted you to send it back, pay for shipping. I'm like, I just keep it, don't even worry about it. I'm not gonna do all that. And then it took over 2 months to get it, so why would I send it back? I don't know how long that's gonna take. So I'm like, it's not even worth it. So I just kept it and just put it over here in my little area, y'all. And it's just a little case that's real cute to go with my little Louis Vuitton area. My purses, more designer area. This is my the queen area, jewelry area slash whatever else, shades, more shades, my cell phone cases. These are some headbands that I sell on my website. I don't know why I ordered this. It was over the, you know, during quarantine I got bored, so I just ordered some things to learn how to do nails, y'all. So I ordered these. I ain't never used them, so yeah. That's a little sassy bra I ordered. My Samsung camera, jewelry holder. That's my cell phone. Over here we have my mirror, my little rug. This is my work desk. Yeah, I got this desk off of Amazon, I think. Yeah, so I try to post some of the links down below, y'all, for so many things. They got me these flowers, y'all, and this vase, so cute. He buys all my flowers and balloons and stuff in there. My business cards, this little fan which I had since I stayed in Atlanta, and I just kept on my desk at work. This is for Cricut, so thing you just put your little extra pieces in. Some disinfectant spray. This over here, I had my cube over here because this is where my work is going to be. I ordered some little things to hold my bundle, so they're going to go up here. They're coming from Amazon today. I got more sunglasses over there. Picture of my boo, designer. And then this is a lady at work gave me this when I stayed in Atlanta. And it says, "Let your faith be bigger than your fear." And that's the tattoo I have up under my arm as well, because it just always stuck with me. Because when I went into surgery and I was scared and I was nervous, a couple of days before she had gave me this, it just made me feel so much better, and it basically just lifted up everything about me, and I felt so much better going into surgery, to have my surgery for weight loss surgery. So yeah, this is just designer stuff. Our inventory, I keep all of that back there. My goal board, vision board, and my vision board is there, y'all, with the money on it. And let me just tell you, some of those things are already scratched off of there because I've already manifested them. But yeah, I will go into more details about that as well on a vision board. This is my another mirror I just had. My ring light. These are my waist trainers I exercise with. I'm normally exercise like around lunchtime, so that's why I keep them in here. I get on my treadmill and then I come back in here and exercise off of YouTube. So yeah, that's just what I do. And yeah, this is just my area. Oh, I didn't even show y'all these over here. This is just a little area I just keep for like all my work and stuff. I have my scale for when I send packages, a label maker, no, laminator, my printer, and then just some stuff, files and stuff for business. And that is my little iRobot, y'all, vacuum. Yeah, I'm drinking my orange juice, and my collagen powder is in there, so I gotta drink that every morning. And yeah, I got my little pink chair off of Amazon as well, my blanket when I get cold. And yeah, this is just my little work area, y'all. Yeah, this is my beauty room. So I hope clock up there, I think I got it from Roses, I think, y'all. I don't really remember because I had it since we moved from the other house. So yeah, but I think so. And I just wanted a little pink flare, pink and glitter, so it was cute. No, Roses or Walmart, one of them, y'all. But yeah, that's just a preview of my beauty room. And I hope y'all enjoyed it. So let me know if you want to see more. These are my curtains I have as well. And then I also have my sign here. I forgot to show y'all this. I got off of Amazon, I think, as well. No, that is from TJ Maxx. We went to out of town at Savannah. Went on vacation. And I got it from TJ Maxx or Ross, Marshall's, one of them stores, y'all. But yeah. And right now it just says money because I gotta find more of my words. It did say new month, new goals, but I was missing some of my words when I changed around my room, so I just put that up there. New money is on the way, y'all. So yeah, and you just put that over on the back, click it off, turn it off, and yeah, I got my calendar as well. It keeps me on track with things I need to do. Yeah, that is just my beauty room. So I hope y'all enjoyed. Thank y'all for tuning in. And I forgot to show y'all my bench. Yeah, this is my bench as well. I got those pillows from Ross or TJ Maxx, one of them. My bench is from Amazon. Just a white bench. My yoga mats I keep over here because I do my yoga and my weights and stuff. Yeah. And I thank y'all for tuning in. If you want to see more of these videos, let me know. Thumbs this video up. And until next time, stay beautiful, loves. Bye, y'all.